Facing a TikTok error called the unable to authorize, please try again error on your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this unable to authorize, please try again error on your TikTok account. Before doing anything else, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Try to log out and log in back. Make sure you enter the correct log in information. Solution 1. Turn on live activity. First, open up the Settings app, then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. Now find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Next, toggle on the live activity option. If you see it is toggled on, then toggle it off and then turn it back on. One more thing you must do here, and that is toggle on the background app refresh option. Solution 2. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you don't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove App. After that, tap Delete App. Now go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Now install the app again. Hope your issue has been resolved. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, then write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.